Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Wisdom Tutorials. If you remember, in our last video we studied about the most important contribution that was given by Mendeleev. But unfortunately, due to some reason, due to some limitations, even his theory was partially rejected. But children, the journey didn't stop. It was further taken up by another wonderful personality regarding whom we are going to understand today. So if you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe. Let us begin. Children, after the failure of Mendeleev's classification, the next attempt to classify the element was done in the year 1913. It was done by a wonderful personality whose name was Henry Moseley. Acha, Henry Moseley was so genius that he didn't blindly started with the classification, rather he inspected the demerits of the previous attempts. इन्होंने डोबेराइनर, न्यूलेंस एंड मेंडलीव्स के डीमेरिट्स को स्टडी किया and he concluded that all the scientists, the classification of all the scientists failed due to one common reason, and the common reason was their basic fundamental characteristic property. They all believed that atomic mass is the fundamental characteristic property, but he concluded that atomic mass can never be a fundamental characteristic property. Instead, atomic number is the fundamental characteristic property. What is atomic number, children? Atomic number is the number of protons. It can also be the number of electrons. He said that in a chemical reaction, only electrons participate. Protons and neutrons, they don't have any role in a chemical reaction. So to study a chemical property, we need atomic number, we don't need atomic masses. Hence, the basic fundamental characteristic property should be atomic number, it should not be atomic masses. He said that the basic fundamental characteristic property should be atomic number, it should not be atomic masses. And this theory changed the entire perspective towards the classification. Children, the moment he said that atomic number is the fundamental characteristic property, the entire perspective got changed. Accordingly, Mendeleev ka law was modified into modern periodic law. Mendeleev का law क्या था? It was properties of element are periodic function of their atomic masses. अच्छा, मास को चेंज कर दिया. With respect to atomic number, the law was modified as modern periodic law, which states that properties of element are periodic function of their atomic number. And based on this law, the table which was made, that was famously called as modern periodic table that we are learning today. Now children, let us understand something about modern periodic table. If you observe this tabular arrangement, you can see the vertical columns. These vertical columns are called as groups, whereas the horizontal arrangement are termed as periods. You might observe some numbers. The vertical arrangements are 18 in numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 18. So groups were numbered from 1 to 18, whereas periods were numbered from 1 to 7. In modern periodic table, the elements were arranged in rows and columns. The horizontal rows were termed as periods, which were numbered from 1 to 7. Whereas there were two different ways to number groups. The very first way was to number them in Romans. Children, Roman numbering, if you remember, Mendeleev ke time pe we have discussed that the Roman numbering was done from 1 to 8, out of which there were subdivisions. It was applicable from 1 to 7. So here that was labeled as A and B. All the tall columns were labeled as A, whereas all the short columns were labeled as B. If you observe children, there are few tall columns over here. All the tall columns are A and all the short columns are B. Other way was to simply number them from 1 to 18. So this was made very simple how the numbering of periods and groups has to be done. In modern periodic table children, elements को कैसे arrange किया था on the basis of increasing atomic number. Let us place atomic number in the boxes. It starts with 1, ends to 118. So let us place all the numbers from 1 to 118. After that children, let us place elements in this modern periodic table. Let's start with the first 18 elements, which is from hydrogen to argon. The first period has hydrogen, it also has helium. The second period has lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. The third period starts with sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Now children, let's complete group number 1 or group number 1A. So we'll start with group number 1A. Group number 1A already starts with lithium. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Let's complete group number 2A. Now group number 2A starts with beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Let us place children the elements in group number 7 or group number 17, which starts with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Now let's focus on the last group, which is group number 18. It starts with helium on the top, followed by neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. So these are few elements which were placed in modern periodic table. Children, if you see, there is a gap between the number 56 and 72, the gap of 14 numbers, the gap of 14 elements. These 14 elements were very similar in their properties. हेनरी मोजले ने क्या किया, इन सारे एलिमेंट्स को एक ही ब्लॉक में अरेंज कर दिया. फिजिकली इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल टू अरेंज ऑल ऑफ दीज एलिमेंट इन वन सिंगल ब्लॉक. तो मोजले ने क्या किया, सबसे पहला वाला एलिमेंट, that is atomic number 57, called as lanthanum, he placed lanthanum in the same block. Other elements from atomic number 58 to atomic number 71 were placed in a series. The series had elements which were present in group number 3B and in the 6th period. Later on, the series was named as lanthanide series. Now why the name lanthanide series children? Because it was given after the name of the first element called as lanthanum. Lanthanum को तो ऊपर रख दिया. That was atomic number 57. From atomic number 58 to atomic number 71, they were placed at the bottom of the table. The elements were called as cerium and the last element was called as lutetium. So the series, lanthanide series, starts with lanthanum, ends to lutetium. If you observe children, there's another gap between the number 88 to the number 104. The gap of 14 numbers, the gap of 14 elements. Again, these elements were also very much similar with their properties. हेनरी मोजले ने क्या किया, सारे एलिमेंट्स को एक ही ब्लॉक में रख दिया. फिजिकली इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, पहला एलिमेंट विद एटॉमिक नंबर 89 कॉल्ड एज एक्टिनियम वाज प्लेस्ड इन द सेम ब्लॉक. बाकी के एलिमेंट्स का क्या किया, ही मेड अनदर सीरीज. The series was made out of the elements which were present in group number 3b and period number 7. Series was later on called as actinide series. Why the name actinide series, children? It was given after the name of the element actinium. The series, it starts from the atomic number 90, ends to atomic number 103 with the element thorium and lawrencium. Actinide series starts from actinium, ends to lawrencium. From your exam point of view, children, these elements are very important. Children, the first period has only 2 elements. Only 2 elements. The count is very less. Hence, the first period is called as shortest period. It is called as shortest period. The second period and the third period had 8 elements each. 8 elements more than 2. They are called as short period. They are called as short period. The fourth and the fifth period had 18 and 18 elements each. Blocks में there are 18 elements. अब 18 elements का मतलब it is more than the short period. Hence, it is called as long period. The fourth and fifth period are called as the long period. The sixth period has 18 elements. वो तो पहले से ही फिक्स है. अच्छा 14 और elements भी आ गए. 18 plus 14 is 32. So 32 का मतलब it is having more number of element. So they are termed as longest period. They are termed as longest period. ये नंबर देख के कुछ याद आ रहा है? पहले पीरियड में 2, सेकेंड में 8, थर्ड में 18 एंड फोर्थ में 32. चिल्ड्रन 2, 8, 18, 32 ये नंबर कहीं तो सुना है. अरे ये नंबर तो कैपेसिटी है. किसका कैपेसिटी? कैपेसिटी ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट इन अ शेल. The first shell has capacity of holding 2 electron, second shell में 8 electron, third shell में 18 electron, fourth shell में 32 electron. यहां से आया. समझा? अच्छा लास्ट वाला पीरियड चेक करो. कितने एलिमेंट्स है? पहले से 18 थे, 14 और ऐड हो गए एक्टिनाइड सीरीज के. कितने हुए? 32 हुए. तो वो भी लॉन्गेस्ट है क्या? नहीं. क्यों लॉन्गेस्ट नहीं है? अरे बाबा पीरियोडिक टेबल खत्म थोड़ी हुआ. अभी तो न जाने और कितने एलिमेंट्स आने बाकी है और बहुत सारे एलिमेंट डिस्कवर होने वाले. हेंस द लास्ट पीरियड इज कॉल्ड एज इनकम्प्लीट पीरियड. जर्नी रुकने वाला नहीं है. आगे और भी एलिमेंट्स आएंगे और पढ़ाई करेंगे. चिल्ड्रन, इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल, द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल पीरियोडिक टेबल, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पीरियोडिक टेबल. In your final board examination, you get many questions which are based on modern periodic table. Hence, understanding and learning the table is very important. Soon you will receive a video that will have very simple tricks on remembering the elements in the modern periodic table. One more important thing, children. As you know, children, we always add link into our description through which you can check your understanding of the respective video. Again, even today, we have added an important link into the description. Through this link, you can check how much have you understood. Attempt your test and check your result. Thank you so much for your time, guys. God bless you all.